Hello students, welcome back to my channel. So I have been getting many requests for one topic across all grades from grade 2 till grade 5 that students are finding it difficult to understand round off or estimation. So today I will be discussing some steps that you can follow using which you will be able to apply round off to the place that has been asked for in the question. So you might be getting a question like, let's start with an example. Say we have a number 45,400, sorry, 468. Suppose we have been asked to round off to the nearest thousand. Which place? To the nearest thousand. So the first thing that we have to do is we have to find out the lowest and the highest thousand. Why thousand? Because they have asked us to round up to the nearest thousand. So we will find out the lowest and the highest thousand between which our given number lies in the number line. Okay. So first thing we'll check that which is the digit in the thousands house of our number. Again, why I am saying thousand house? Because I have been asked to round off to the nearest thousand. So which is the digit in the thousands house? It is 5. 5 is the digit. So our lowest thousand will be simply 5,000. And our highest or greater thousand will be the next thousand. So what is the next thousand after 5,000? Yes, it is 6,000. So the first step we have done, we have found out the lowest thousand and the highest thousand between which my number will lie. Obviously, since it is a 45,000, so we can put a 4 here. So it's 45,000 and 46,000 between which our given number will lie on the number line. Now, for the ease of calculation, you can ignore this 10,000s house for now and only concentrate on the thousands house. In our final answer, we will be putting the 10,000s house in our final answer. So, next step is find out the middle number between 5,000 and 6,000. Second step, middle number. So what is the middle number between 5,000 and 6,000? If you cannot logically find it out, tell me what is the middle number between 0 and 1000. So between 0 and 1000, the middle number is 500. So between 5,000 and 6,000, the middle number will be 5,000, then 500. Third step. So we have found the middle number. Third step, check if your given number, in this case we are only considering 5468 for ease of our calculation. If this number is greater than or less than the middle number. So this is less than the middle number. If it is less than the middle number, then it will go to the lower thousand. The rule is, if it is less than the middle number, it will go to the lower thousand. If it is more than the middle number, it will go to the higher thousand. In this case, it is less than the middle number, so it will go to the lower thousand, which in this case is 5,000. So our number 45,468 468 when rounded off to the nearest thousand will give us round off to 45,000. So I hope you have understood the steps. Now let's take some examples. And before we dive into the other example, let me tell you the middle numbers. Let me recap with you the middle numbers. Say between 0 to 5. Between 0 to 10. The middle number is 5. From 0 to 100, the middle number is 50. From 0 to 1000, the middle number is 500. From 0 to 10,000, the middle number is 5,000. From 0 to 1 lakh, the middle number is 50,000. From 0 to 10 lakhs, the middle number is 5 lakhs, and so on. So you can try to see what will be the middle number when you are looking for a range. Now coming to the example. So we'll just take one number and we'll try to round it off to several places. Let's take a number, let's say 3, 2, 8, 1, 4, 7. So my number is 3,28,147. 3,28,147. Suppose we want to round off to the nearest 100. So first step, identify which is the number in the hundreds house. It is 1. So what is the lower 100? Obviously 100. What is the upper 100? Obviously, which is the 100 after 100? It is 200. Second step, what is the middle number between which, what is the middle number between 100 and 200? It is 150. Now let's check our digits 147. Is it less than or greater than 150? It is less than 150. So it will round off to the lower 100. That is 100. So my final answer will be 3 to 8. I'll just copy these. And instead of 147, I'll write 100. I hope it's clear. Let's now try to round off this number to the nearest 1000. Please do it with me. The more you practice, the more you'll get better at it. So which number is in the thousands house? 8. So which are the two numbers between which 8147 will lie? The lower one will be 8000. The higher one will be, which is the next 1000 after 8000? 9000. Very good. What is the middle number? 8500. Because the middle number between 0 to 1000 is 500. So between 8000 to 9000 it is 8500. Your number is 8147. So check 8147. Is it less than or greater than 8500? It is less. So it will go to the lower 1000, that is 8000. So your final answer will be 3,28,000. Now suppose we want to round it off to the nearest 10,000. Now let's round off to the nearest 10,000. I have written down the number again. So which number or which digit is in the 10,000's house? It is 2. That is 20,000. So what is my lower 10,000? It is 20,000. What is my upper 10,000? Obviously, the next 10,000 after 20,000 is 30,000. What is my middle number? Obviously, 25,000. My number is 28,147. So I take this part. Is 28,147 less or more than 25,000? It is more. If it is more, it will go to the greater 10,000. So your final answer will be 3,30,000. So all these you saw that it went to the lower. This time it's going to the higher. Let's check the next one. Suppose we want to round off to the nearest lakh. So which is the number in the lakh house? 3 lakhs. So my lower lakh will be 3 lakhs. What is the lakh after that? 4 lakh. Which is the middle number? The middle number between lakhs is 50,000. So it will be 3,50,000. Your number is 3,28,147. Is it greater or less than 3,50,000? It is of course less. So it will go to the lower lakh. Lower lakh is 3 lakh. So when you round it off, it will give you 3 lakhs. Please keep on practicing. Take any number and you can try to round it off to the nearest tens, nearest 100, nearest 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh and so on. Practice and let me know your next requirement in the comments. Thank you.